Hi guys, so today we're going to start a 10 minutes yoga in the morning. So we'll be starting off with the warm up. Try to bring your legs wide. Raise your hands up straight. Inhale. On an exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. Bring the chin down, calm down. Inhale again. Raise your hands up straight to the heavens again. Exhale, let's go down slowly. Bring your hands down. So those are just a first stretch of the day. If you cannot touch the mat, it's totally fine. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed here, your neck relax, head relax, everything totally relax. There's a room to stretch more, so let's just deep inhale. On an exhale, try to bring that chest more deeper down. Slowly try to bring both your hands towards your right side. Again, let's just deep inhale. On an exhale, bring that chest down towards that right knee. Back center. Let's change the side now. Bring both your hands towards your left side. Again, inhale. On an exhale, to bring the chest down towards that knee. Come back center again. Inhale, slowly raise your hands up straight to the heavens again. On an exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. Alright guys, you need to bend your right knee. It should be in a 90 degree. So your right hand should be on your right knee. Make sure your heel, you need to lift that heel up on your toe. Slowly bring this left hand down and let's have a good warm-up stretch here. Try to bring that pelvis area up and down very slowly. Slowly lift yourself up, both hands on your knee. Open up your chest here. You need to bring those shoulders back. Engage that left knee here, yes. And open up your chest a bit more. Try to lift the chin up and hold in that high lunge. Now slowly bring that heel down and firmly, now slowly. It's the same knee again. Try to bring that wrist bone back, right elbow on the thigh and bring this left hand over your head. We're still in that high lunge again. It's an extended high lunge. Change the side, come back very slowly. And then bend this left knee here. Try to bring this left hand on that knee and bring this right hand down. Let's have a good again warm-up stretch. Try to bring that pelvis area up and down very slowly. Lift yourself up. You're working on that high lunge. Balance. Both hands on your knee now. Open up your chest here. Shoulders back. Engage this right knee again. Lift that heel up. Bring that heel down now. We are working on that extended side angle. Bring this left hand on that elbow. Right hand over your head. Breathe, inhale, exhale very slowly. Come back center, raise your hands up straight to the heavens again. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. Take your hands back, interlace those fingers. Open up your chest here. Let's just deep inhale again on an exhale. Bring the chest down, hands up, backward. Slowly lift yourself up again and relax. Raise your hands up straight. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart again. Guys, we are done here with the warm-up. We'll be starting off with the child pose. So let's just sit down first. Try to bring your knees wide. Try to bring your toes together. Sit down and hip down. Let's just deep inhale. On an exhale, bring your hands forward, chest down, head down into the child pose. So those who are feeling burden on your shoulders, you can bring your hands back and modify the pose here and bring the shoulders down. Make sure you're facing towards your left or right. Or if you're feeling burden on your neck, you can bring your hands underneath your forehead. It's totally fine. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed here, your neck relax. If everything's all right, make sure just do that classical child pose and bringing your hands forward, bringing length in that back and bringing that hip down. Staying here in that child pose, breathing deeply, focus, inhale, exhale very slowly. So we are working on that extended child pose. Bring both your hands towards your left side now. We have squeezed that left lung. Come back center. Now let's change the side now, bringing both your hands towards your right side, squeezing that right lung. Come back center again. Inhale, lift yourself up. We're working on that twisted child pose. For that, lift your right hand up straight. Bring this right hand towards your left side, so your right shoulder on the mat facing towards your left side. Now, left hand over your head. Again, you need to bring that hip down, bring that shoulder down, press that shoulder more deeper down. Lift yourself up slowly and then left hand up straight. Change the side, bringing this left shoulder on the mat, bringing this right hand over your head. Slowly lift yourself up again, sit down. Moving on forward. So we are working on the tabletop. Make sure you adjust yourself. Your hands should be underneath your shoulder, knees underneath that hip. Take your time, adjust yourself. Today we are doing cat and cow. This is cow. Your back should be very straight. Exhale, cat, rolling the back. Inhale, cow again. Look forward, back straight. Exhale, roll your back. Work on your core, cat. Inhale, cow again. Look forward. Exhale, roll your back. Work on your core, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. And hold tabletop. This time in the tabletop, lift your right leg up straight. We're working on this balance. Tabletop here, left hand forward. Slowly bring this left hand back. Let's try to hold that foot here, lifting that knee up. That is your right knee. Relax. Let's change the side now. Lift your left leg up straight. Bring this right hand forward. Hold. Slowly bring this right hand back. Let's try to hold that foot. Shoulder back, twist. And come back center into that tabletop. Moving on forward now, let's just deep inhale, exhale, push back down dog. There are 3 modifications in the dog. Let's pedal those knees very slowly. Work on that hamstring stretch. Alright, second modification we'll be doing here. Inhale, chest forward plank. Exhale again, push back down dog. Second modification, bring this right hand and let's try to hold that ankle here, twisting around. There might be a possibility that you cannot hold the ankle, bring your hand on your knee. It's alright. Change the side now, bring this right hand on and let's try to hold that ankle here, twisting, extending that right side here. Coming back center again into that dog. Try to bring your chest down. Shifting, heeling towards your left side, come back center. There's a third modification, bringing your heel and hip towards your left side. Come back center again. Inhale, exhale very slowly. Moving on forward towards those vinyasas. Inhale, chest forward plank. Exhale, let's go down chaturanga, hands to your rib cage. Inhale, up facing dog. Exhale, push back, down dog again. Inhale, chest forward plank. Exhale, let's go down chaturanga, hands to your rib cage. And inhale, up facing dog. Exhale again, push back, down dog. This time lift your right leg up straight. Bring this right foot forward. We are working on that high lunge. Slowly balance, raise your hands up straight. Hold in that high lunge. Breathe. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. Lock that feet, heel down. Torso straight. Bringing this torso straight, bend your knee more, raise your hands up straight. Converting this into warrior 1. Bring your hands towards your heart, converting this into warrior 2. Left hand back, right hand up straight, converting this into reverse warrior, both knees straight. Slowly bring your left hand down, converting this into triangle pose. Lifting that left hand up straight. Reverse that warrior again. Inhale. Exhale, bring both your hands back. Inhale again on an exhale, converting this into humble warrior. Let's hold here in that humble, lifting yourself up. Slowly bring your right hand down and left hand up straight, side angle. Hold, breathe, and come back center. Changing the side now. We are working on this left leg here. Bending this knee 90 degrees. Raise your hands up straight, converting this into high lunge. Slowly bring both your hands down to your heart. Lock that feet, heel down, look forward, torso straight, and slowly raise your hands up straight into that warrior 1. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart, both hands straight. Converting this into warrior 2, bend your knee. Bringing your left hand back, right hand up straight, reverse warrior, left hand down, both knees straight, converting this into triangle pose. Come back center again, reverse that warrior. Slowly bring both your hands back, interlace those fingers, inhale, on an exhale, bring the chest down into the humble warrior. Exhale very slowly, lift yourself up, bringing this left hand on the mat, right hand up straight. Come back center and relax. Thank you so much.